What's up, guys? Jay here from EasyBladeShavingProducts.com. Today we're going to do a skin fade with a goatee. We're going to go ahead and start by flattening out the hair. We're going to use a number 2 guard, and we're going to go all the way around the head. Now, I love to flatten my canvas when I start working on the hair first. This gives me a clear vision of the type of haircut that I'm going to do. So right here you can see I'm pretty much just flattening out the hair, meaning I'm going to take everything down. Now, if I was using scissors on the top, I would have did the scissors on top, then flatten the side, and then started my skin fade. But pretty much he wants it short on top, so we're using number 2 guard, and we're doing that all the way around the head. Now, some people would jump right in on that skin fade and do the skin line first, and this is where a lot of new barbers mess up, or a lot of people that are learning how to fade hair mess up, because they just jump right into it. They worry about the skin line. That's like their most fear that they have. But really, it's all about preparation. Just like when you're shaving or you're doing anything, it's all about preparation, guys. If you were painting a car, it's all about prepping it first and then painting. So we have a canvas here that we need a clear vision on. So what we did was put the number 2 all around. If we were using scissors, we'll put the scissors all around. Then we started our skin line. We did start from the temple area of the head. Not too high, but pretty high. Not as low as a regular low skin fade would be. I want to say this is like a mid fade. So we're going to go ahead and just clear everything out, you know, with that machine. And we're going to make sure that make sure everything is clean. So right here we use our machine. It could be any machine, the machine of your choice, and we open up the lever and we're making a bar. So that bar is our second guideline. So we have our first line, which is our skin line, and our second line, which is our open machine, guys. And that's what it's all about. Flick that wrist and, you know, pluck the hair out the way. Now, we had a number 2 on top. If you know my philosophy about fading hair, I'm all about going from the biggest guard to the smallest guard. So what we did, we put a number 2 on top, and now we're using our 1.5 to fade into that 2. So I'm all about using the biggest guard and fading into that guard. That's what I'm about. That's what my fading hairstyle is about. Some people start from the small guards from small to big, but I feel like you can make mistakes that way. I feel like it's dummy proof when you do from the biggest guard to the smallest guard. Right here we jumped to our number 1 guard. Before, previously we had a 1.5, we had a 2 on top, then we jumped down to the 1.5. Now we're jumping down to the 1. So we're working our way from the biggest guard to the smallest guard, flicking our wrists. As the guards get smaller, we're doing shorter strokes. So we have our 1.5, our 1 right here, and we're fading that out. Now we just drop down to our half guard, and now if you remember, our machine open was a half. So we have our half guard, and now we're taking out that second guideline that we created, guys. So simple, guys. Very, very easy. It's just all about just prepping it and knowing what you're doing before you do it. Okay, same thing over here. Now I just, you know, I have a brush in my hand because we're going down to that skin line now, and I want to make sure that I brush out those micro hairs. Now you can see the fade really starting to take place here. Really faded out. I'm bending the ear. And you can see the fade just really starting to be created, guys. Shorter strokes, not going too high, because a lot of new guys, when you end up going too high, you create another skin line, and now your fade just goes higher and higher and higher. So shorter strokes. As I get higher, I'm opening the lever. Now you can see he has a dry spot over here on his head. It's just like dry skin or something like that. Maybe psoriasis or something like that, and it's not hair, guys, so it's not a scar. It's just a little bit of dry skin, and that just comes with fading hair. Now we're going to grab our outliner, pretty much start our line up in the front of the head. Now you can see I'm taking my time, not pushing it back too much, keeping it as natural as possible. I started that first line, and I connected the other line right from the top, and then we're working our way from the middle over to the side, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. And again, we're going to use our straight razor today to really make that thing pop out, and we're also going to do the face and the goatee. So we're going to shave the side of his face with the straight razor, and then we're also going to do that goatee. Right, and the same thing over here, slightly tapping it, guys, not going too crazy, and just making sure that it's nice and straight, guys. And we're going to go ahead and use the straight razor, of course, over here to make it clean. All right, so I'm going to use my shaver on the side. Again, you can see dry skin right on the side of his head and right at the top corner of his head, so don't sweat that. Same thing over here. That fade is looking nice, guys. So now we're going to go ahead and start our goatee. We're going to start shaping the outside first, then we're going to go into the inside. I love to make the outside first, just to know what I'm working with. Again, it's all about preparation. All right, so doing the top of the stash, and then I'm going to go on the inside and make that line a little bit sharper from the inside as well, going under the stash, and then using my machine to work on the inside right here, guys. All right, and I'm going to leave it a little wider because I'm going to use a straight razor. I don't want to make it too thin. I want to leave some room so I can use my straight razor. Same thing over here. It's not going to be as detailed until we apply that straight razor on that face. I'm going to get the bottom a lot straighter than it is right now. I know it's a little crooked right there. I'm just kind of molding it, and then I'm going to detail it with my outliner, as well as I'm going to finely detail it with the straight razor. Okay, same thing over here on the bottom. Just making it going straight across and doing the mustache. All right, now I'm going to grab some Easy Blade shave gel. You can grab that on our website, easybladeshavingproducts.com. We have lots of hair products, lots of shaving products, straight razors, double-edged razors. Now I'm applying that shave gel on the side of his face to soften that hair. I got our wood handle straight razor here, along with an Easy Blade double-edged razor. And you can see that hair is just coming right off, guys. And that's what it's all about. You're going to pull that skin as hard as you can. You're going to angle your blade at a 30 degree. And you're just going to go down, and that Easy Blade shave gel is really going to help with the shave, you know. And you can see we're shaving the face. We can see what we're doing because the shave gel is clear, and we can go ahead and get the goatee with that. We're going to start with the inside, all right, and just really detail it. We're going to put some more shave gel in there. I want to see what I'm doing, so I'm putting that clear shave gel. You can use shave cream as well, but I'm using that shave gel because I really want to see what I'm doing. I want to see the lines being created. And the same thing over here, just going straight across with that straight razor, just making sure that I got them nice and detailed. Okay, make sure I'm pulling that skin, taking my time, allowing that blade to glide. Okay, that's what it's all about. Just allow your blade to do the work. The straight razor is going to do the work. If you guys don't know how to use the straight razor, go to our channel and put how to use the straight razor. You'll see a video of us coming up. We got a video where I'm on it, and it has 1 million views just showing you how to use the straight razor. A lot of good reviews, a lot of good comments on there. Same thing over here. You want to pull the skin, stretch it, and just allow that blade to take off the hair for you guys. Make sure that you're wiping that blade when that excess hair is on it, like I did right there. And just really allowing that blade to do the work. You see the hair falling right off. Apply enough shave gel on there, and that hair will come off. You won't get any razor burn or anything like that. Same thing over here. Just clearing out that face, guys. And that's what we got. Jay here from easybladeshavingproducts.com. Now you can see clearing out the back of his neck. We got a clean skin fade along with a goatee. If you guys enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what you think below. Looking forward to hearing from you guys. Like, comment again, and subscribe. Go to easybladeshavingproducts.com. Thank you.